Namaskar students, welcome to your maths class. As in the previous video, we had learned how to add two-digit numbers vertically, expanding and through statements. So today, we will learn about how to subtract two-digit numbers vertically, expanding and through statements. But before going further, I want to narrate you a story. रामू फार्मर के फार्म में ढेर सारे चिकन्स होते हैं। वन डे एक क्लेवर फॉक्स ने इन चिकन्स को प्ले करते हुए देख लिया और उस दिन से फॉक्स चुपके उन चिकन्स में से कुछ को हर दिन खा जाता था। रामू को इसके बारे में पता चल गया। उसने फॉक्स से पूछा, हे, क्या तुम मेरे चिकन्स खाते हो? फॉक्स सेड, नो डियर, आई एम योर फ्रेंड। मैं तुम्हारी चिकन्स कैसे खा सकता हूँ? फिर रामू हर दिन मॉर्निंग इवनिंग में चिकन्स को काउंट करता था, तब भी उसके चिकन्स कम होते जाते थे। अगले दिन रामू ने कहा, आज मैं अपने चिकन्स को काउंट करके रखता हूँ। ये टोटल 87। अगर इसमें से एक भी कम हुए, आई विल स्लैप यू टाइटली। नेक्स्ट डे जब रामू चिकन्स को काउंट करता है तो ओनली 75 होते हैं। Kids, can you tell me how many chickens did fox eat? और ये जानने के लिए we will have to subtract. And as we have two numbers of two digits, we will learn how to subtract two-digit numbers. Let's learn stepwise. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in the columns of ones and tens. Remember one thing. In subtraction, the greater number is always placed on the top. Means at minuend place. Now tell me, in 87 and 75, which is the greatest number? Yes, 87. So we will place 87 at minuend place. Write 8 in tens place and 7 in ones place. Now place the smaller number 75 at subtrahends place. Write 7 in tens column and 5 in ones column. Step 2. Put the sign of subtraction at the left side of subtrahend and subtract the digits of ones column. 7 minus 5 is equal to what? 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So we'll write 2 in ones column. Step 3. Subtract the digits of tens column. Now we will subtract the digits of tens column. 8 minus 7 is equal to what? 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. So here we get the difference of 87 minus 75 is 12. As in the previous video, we had learned how to add two-digit numbers by expanding. Let's subtract also by expanding stepwise. As we have two numbers, 87 and 75. So step 1 is write 87 in expanded form. That is 80 plus 7. Step 2. Write 75 in expanded form. That is 70 plus 5. Step 3. Subtract the ones digit of subtrahend from that of minuend and tens digit of subtrahend from that of minuend. Means subtrahend 75 के 5 ones को minuend 87 के 7 ones से subtract और subtrahend की 7 tens को minuend 8 tens से subtract करें. Means 80 minus 70. Now keep these numbers in bracket. Let's take out the difference. 80 minus 70 is equal to 10. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Now we will add these. 10 plus 2. So 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. In answer we get clever fox ate 12 chickens. Let's do another way. Subtraction of two-digit numbers through statements. Total number of chickens is 87. Number of chickens left is equal to 75. Now, number of chickens eaten or missing is equal to what? Firstly, we will place the sign of subtraction at the left side of subtrahend. Now, we will start subtracting from ones column. 7 minus 5 is equal to what? 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. Write 2 in ones column. Now, we will come at tens column. 8 minus 7 is equal to what? 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. So we will write 1 in tens column. So here we get number of chickens eaten by fox or number of chickens missing is equal to 12. Let's take one more example. There were 69 flowers in the garden. A gardener plucks 53 of them. How many flowers are left in the garden now? Let's subtract in different ways and move. Firstly, vertically. Step 1. Arrange the numbers in the columns of ones and tens. Place the greater number on the top at the minuend place. Now tell which is the greater number in 69 and 53. Yes, 69. So, we will place 69 at minuend's place. In 69, write 6 at tens place and 9 at ones place. Now place the smaller number 53 at subtrahend's place. In 53, write 5 at tens place and 3 at ones place. Step 2. Put the sign of subtraction at the left side of subtrahend and subtract the digits of ones column. So we have put the sign of subtraction here at the left side of subtrahend. Now we will subtract ones column. 9 minus 3 is equal to what? 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. So we will write 6 in ones column. Step 3. Subtract the digits of tens column. So here is tens column. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So we will write 1 in tens column. So the difference of 69 minus 53 is 16. Let's do by expanding stepwise. As we have two numbers 69 and 53, step 1 is write 69 in expanded form. That is 60 plus 9. Step 2. Write 53 in expanded form. That is 50 plus 3. Step 3. Subtract the ones digit of subtrahend from that of minuend and tens digit of subtrahend from that of minuend. Means subtrahend 53 के 3 ones को minuend 69 के 9 ones से subtract और subtrahend 53 के 5 tens को minuend 69 के 6 tens से subtract. Now keep these numbers in bracket. Let's take out the difference. 60 minus 50 is equal to 10. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Now we'll add 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. So 16 flowers were left in the garden. Let's do it another way. Number of flowers in the garden is equal to 69. Number of flowers gardener plucked is equal to 53. Number of flowers left is equal to what? So firstly we will put the sign of subtraction at the left side of subtract. Now we will subtract from ones column. 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. Then we come at tens column. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So the number of flowers left is 16. I hope kids, you may have understood the concept of subtraction of two-digit numbers through vertically, expanding and statements. Now it's your practice time. The question is, complete the page numbers 70, 71 and 72 in your book. That's it for today kids. We will meet again in next video.